Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction myself. My name is Husnul Ramadhani. I am from PBI. Introduction. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of society are, the more civilized and well-disciplined the society might be. Education is also a primary need in this era of globalization. Haryanto Mukminin Murboyono Muazza and Ekatina 2016, Mukminin Rohayati Putra Habibi and Anissa 2017. Education gives insight, grows the personality, inculcates moral values. It knowledge and provides skill for people who can live in very competitive society and everyone highly qualified people for need. Mukminin Haryanto Makmur Failasofa Fajaria Tabran and Suryadi 2013, Mukminin 2012. However, there are several studies focusing on the problems of education in Indonesia, including Mukminin Lestari Afifa Ramadhani and Hedra 2017 and Musyadat 2013, who argue that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose of the education, national examination, and learning facility. These kinds of problems have influenced the quality of education both in national and international levels. For example, although since 1775, Indonesia has taken part constantly in every round of trends in international mathematics and science study, or TIMSS. The results have not been satisfactory. Of the 38 countries participant in 1999, Indonesia ranked the 34 and 32 in math and science respectively. In 2003, performance in math increased to 411, while the science score slipped to 420. The result occurred in 2007, with maths performance desert 377 and science improved to 427. Scores in both math and science fell in 2011 and 389 and 406 respectively. In 2015, math performance increased to 397, while science performance desert to 397. The result of Indonesia participation in TIMSS help imply the quality of education should become of the responsibility of all parties, including government, school, and families. Family is one of the important factor in supporting of education of their children. As a unit of society, the family is actually a major socializing agent, so that is important in determining the children's motivation to achieve success. Mainly, family has responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more the parents are involved in the process of imparting education to their children, the more the children might excel in their academic career and become productive and responsibility member of society. Additionally, parents' personal education backgrounds and economic background have a significant effect on their children's education. It means that parents' educational background plays an important part in their children's education. The education received by the children depends very much on the education that their parents have. In relation to education, English is one of the compulsion subjects in Indonesian educational system. The internal and external factor, for example, to influence the learner's English achievement, education first English provides index and also show that the average score of Indonesian English proficiency was 52-74 and level als moderate proficiency levels. The score has placed Indonesia in the 28th rank of the 63 countries in terms of index that compares the average English language ability in different countries. The data indicate that English proficiency in Indonesia is still lower than the other countries. However, learning English is not easy process. There are some problems or difficult in learning English in their study. Abra Mukminin Habibi Asyarafi Makmur in Marzulina 2018 and Mukminin Muazzah Hastama Ansari 2015 found the problem in learning English shock as a teacher competent, student lack of English foundation background, students lack of confidence in formative curriculum, emotive anchored and gaining learning staggering. Not practice speaking English with English native speaker and class environment. Some research have previously explored parents' educational background and student English achievement. For example, Apriana 2015 found that parents' educational background was significant correct the student English achievement took the correlation was weak. Also, Carnegie 2010 found that there was a strong correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Sanabel Alfiet Essel Kohler and Baumer 2002 found that a significant positive correlation exists between parents' education and students' achievement. It can be called that the results of those studies are still in discussion. Additionally, found that there was not significant relationship between parents' achievement and educational background and student achievement in learning English. The finding of the previous studies on the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement are still mixed. The current study investigates the correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. To research question guide this study. 1. Is there any link between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade students at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia? And 2. Does parents' educational background influence student English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang? Literature review. Parents' educational background reference to parents' high-hands education. That means the high-hands level of education attained by parents. International Standard Classification of Education from UNESCO 2011 has grouped 9 levels of education. They are early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary, non-tertiary education, short cycle tertiary education, bachelor or equivalent level, master or equivalent level, doctoral or equivalent level. Parents with higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their ability to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. Sullivan 2013 also adds the relationship of parents' education to their children. Achievement motivation in academic areas is mediated by parents' beliefs and behavior are likely to be influenced by their educational experience and how these parental beliefs and behaviors actually influence children achievement motivation in academic area. Additional family characteristics such as parental income, education, and family size seem to be connected to students' achievement. In terms of student achievement, Algarabal and Dasi 2001 state the achievement in the competence of a person relation to domain of knowledge. Additionally, Sukadinata 2007 state that achievement of students could be seen from mastering the subject that they have taken up. Achievement refers to the good result from learning. In addition, English achievement has a strong relation with the academic achievement. English being well educated, parents give benefits for their children. In 2008 state, the parents could serve as good role models being conscientious, habitation, and methodical, all of which will contribute to make their children more successful at school. Moreover, educate parents can provide their children with guidance to get good information at home. Good that the facility used by their children relate to their school study, especially in learning English, change to for getting admission in good professional course. Parental education level also determine the facilities and the cultural level of the home. Udon and Sunny 2012 claimed that giving education material for the children, in other words, this suggests that students manage to support their learning with good educational materials because they have parents who can provide them with educational supporting materials that they need, including in learning English. Methodology, research design, and participle. In this study, we use a correlation approach to find out the link between parents, educational background, and student English achievement. The first procedure was identify the parents' educational background by using educational background questionnaire, and second procedure was we gave the student a test a TOEFL. The next step was we analyzed the link between the two variables through SPSS based on the result of the educational background questionnaire and TOEFL test. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through parents' educational background questionnaire and English test. Data collection and analysis. In this study, we use questionnaire and test as the instrument to gather the data concerning the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. To obtain the information about parents' educational background, we use the questionnaire from UNESCO 2011, which was adapted by Apriana 2015. The questionnaire consisted of parents' educational background, which was related to parents' enhanced education. The questionnaire asks about the level education of father and mother of the student. In scoring parents' educational background, the student ticket of their parents' educational background level, including early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary non-tertiary education, short cycle tertiary education, bachelor or equivalent level, master or equivalent level, and doctor or equivalent level. The score was from 0 until 8, the education background level, to obtain the student English achievement. With TOEFL Junior Test, the purpose of the TOEFL Junior Test is provide an objective measure of the degree to which students in the target population have attained proficiency in tests and the academic and social English language skill. The designer of the TOEFL Junior Standard Test assert that the TOEFL Junior Standard Test in English proficiency test is not an reading, is not based on or limit to any specific curriculum. There are 3 sections: listening, structure, and reading. Each section contains 42 forced questions with a total testing time for 1 hour 55 minutes. TOEFL Junior Test scores are determined by the number of questions that a student has answered correctly. There is no penalty for wrong answer. The category of the result of this test group into very good, very poor, and very poor. In terms of collection and regression, it was necessary to know whether the data were normal for each variable and linear between two variables. In this study, normality test was used to find out whether the data of educational background questionnaire and TOEFL Junior Test very normal and were normal or not. We use a sample Kolmogorov Smirnov in SPSS. Is higher than 510 was normal and vice versa. In this study, linearity test was junior test was linear or not. If their score was higher than 5, the two variables were linear. Linearity test in SPSS was used to see if the data were linear or not. After grading of result of educational background, questionnaire and TOEFL Junior Test of students, we use person-product moment correlation coefficient to find out whether or not there was a correlation between invariable. The interpretation of confidence correlation was to find whenever person R is higher than regression analysis was used to find out whether or not parents' educational background influenced student English achievement. We identified the influence of variable by using the result of R square. Simple regression analysis was used to measure two variables, the score of parents' educational background as independent variable and student English achievement as given variable were calculated by SPS. The result of normality test and linearity test. The data were interpreted as normal when if no 005, if 005, it means the data were not normal. Kolmogorov Smirnov was used to see the normality. The result of normality test indicate that the data from each variable were all normal and appropriate from achievement. For linearity test, the deviation of linearing was obtained if probability is more than 5. The two variables are linear. The results show English achievement was 769. Correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Based on the person product proven correlation coefficient, the result indicate that the parent of correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement was positive. The correlation coefficient of the are obtained 420 was higher than our table 176. Then the level of probability P significant was, it meant that 000 was lower than 5. Thus, there was a significant correlation between parents' education background and student English achievement. The details are following. Influence of parents' educational background on student English achievement. The result indicate the parents' educational background involved student English achievement significant with was higher with sync value was lower and probability. Therefore, there was a significant influence between parents' educational background toward student English achievement. The details are following. A. Predicator constant parents' educational background. Based on the result, of person product moment correlation, it was found that 3 was a positive and significant correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade student. This meant that parents' educational background had a relevance to student English achievement. The level of correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement was fair. Parents with a higher level of education can stimulate their children in a good learning environment. They can transfer what they have their children cognitive development, for example, by having more discussion about the lesson, using rich vocabulary in the interaction of parents and children, and reading more books with the children. This result in agreement with grades 2006 arguments that the parents' educational background has a relationship with student English achievement. Furthermore, the more educated the parents are, the more they are able to pass along education and help their children excel in the school. Parents with little or no education may find it very difficult to understand or help their children in the area of education. For example, Salvan 2013 states the parents with a higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. Also, Guntla, Mehta, Gokul, and Berhanum 2012 argue that educated parents have more attention to facility used by their children relate to their study. Moreover, Carnegie 2011 argues that parents who have high educational background and a good English competence generally prepare their children to face globalization with good English preparation. They will help learning English by doing many ways, such providing their children with facility or paying private tutor. Furthermore, the result of their present study is also in agreement with the finding of Apriana 2015 study, whose found the parents' educational background was correlate to student English achievement, even though the correlation was not strong. In addition, Arlida, Rosselli, Mathur, dan Gujardo 2005 indicate that there was a significant correlation between the parents' educational level and student test performance. The current study investigates the correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result of the present study, we found that present parents' educational background were significant correlation with the student English achievement. With the category of correlation was fair. Educationally, the linear regression analysis saw that parents' educational background significantly involved the different variables. Student English achievement. In short, the total contribution of parents' educational background and student English achievement saw a significant link, although the contribution was a small suggestion that there were other factors that could contribute to their student English achievement, such as school, teacher, friends, and environment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.